I've been using CapCut for a long time. In the beginning, it felt like the perfect video editing app. It was free, easy to use, and had tons of effects and templates. But the more I used it, the more I started noticing problems. One of the biggest issues I faced was how slow and laggy it became, especially when working on high-quality videos. Every time I tried to enhance my video quality, the app would freeze, sometimes for several minutes, and I had no choice but to restart it. Applying effects and using templates was another struggle. They took forever to load, or in some cases just didn't load at all. At first, I thought maybe it was just my device, so I tried clearing storage, updating the app, and even reinstalling it, but nothing changed. No matter what I did, CapCut would lag, crash, and waste so much of my time. What should have been a simple video edit turned into a long and frustrating process, and honestly, I just couldn't deal with it anymore. That's when I decided to look for an alternative, and that's when I found Filmora. The difference was insane. No more lag, no more waiting for effects to load, and on top of that, it had a ton of AI-powered features that made editing so much smoother and faster. But before I show you why Filmora is a much better alternative, let me first take you inside CapCut and show you exactly what I'm talking about, so you can see for yourself that I'm not just saying this for no reason. Let's take a look. Alright, so now I'm inside the CapCut app, and this is the main interface. I'm going to start by clicking on New Project and importing a random video. Now these are all the tools that CapCut offers at the bottom. Let's start with the video enhancement feature. I'll apply it and just wait and watch. You'll see how long it takes just to process. While that's loading, let's check out the video effects section. So earlier, these effects used to work really well, but now just look at this. It's taking forever to load. I've been waiting and it's still not showing up. Sometimes even after waiting for hours, the effects still don't load properly. And when they do, clicking on them just makes the app freeze or keep loading endlessly. This is honestly so frustrating. And now, coming back to the video enhancer that I applied earlier, yeah, it's still processing. It hasn't been applied yet, and I already know that when it finally does, my video will start lagging. This has been happening for the past 4 to 5 months. And I'm not the only one. I've updated the app, I have a good internet connection, and I even have the pro version, but nothing seems to fix this issue. A lot of my friends and followers have also complained about the same thing. We're literally paying for this, and it still doesn't work properly. This just keeps happening over and over again, and honestly, I've lost my patience with this app. Now let's take a look at CapCut's AI tools. Here's the thing, you only get one actual AI tool, which is AutoCut. Other than that, there's a moving background feature and some marketing tools like AI Model and AI Poster Maker. And to be honest, these aren't anything special. You can find these tools in almost any basic editing app. CapCut doesn't really have a huge list of AI features, and the one thing I actually used to love, the effects, is now completely unreliable because they don't load properly or work the way they should. So yeah, I'm done with CapCut. I've officially switched to Filmora, and now I'm going to show you how much better it is. From smooth performance to a massive collection of AI-powered tools that actually work. Let's check it out. Alright, so now I'm on the Filmora app. You can easily download it from the Play Store or App Store. There are a lot of amazing tools in Filmora that we'll explore in a bit, but for now, I'll simply import the same video that I used in CapCut. First, let's check out Smart Cutout. Then, I'll use the Chroma key tool to remove the green background. Once it's removed, I'll use the PIP Picture-in-Picture feature to add a background image. Now, you'll notice that the image is overlapping the video. I don't want that. I want the background to be behind my video. So, all I have to do is click on Track Switching, and just like that, it adjusts the layers automatically, placing my video in the second layer while keeping the background on the first layer. Super easy. Next, there's this AI Object Remover, which I couldn't find in CapCut. This feature lets you brush over any object and it removes it seamlessly. Let's try it. I'll brush over this object here, and boom. it's gone, as if it was never there. This is such a cool and useful feature. Now, let's go to the effects section and see how smooth it is compared to CapCut. And as you can see, the effects load instantly. No delays, no waiting, no glitches. This was one of the biggest issues in CapCut, but here, everything works flawlessly. The collection of effects is also much better. Plus, there's an option to apply effects to specific objects, meaning you can choose whether to apply an effect to the whole video or just one part of it. That's really useful. Now that we've checked out the editing tools, let's explore some of the AI-powered features that Filmora offers. And trust me, they're way ahead of what CapCut has. Alright, so here's where things get really interesting. Filmora has a huge collection of AI tools, something you won't find in CapCut. One of my favorites is the AI voice cloning tool, which lets you clone your own voice and use it in your videos. But the most exciting feature for me is image to video, which is also trending these days. Let's try it out. I'll upload an image, let's say a picture of a cat, and select a template. Now I'll click on generate, and just look at this. Wow, it instantly turns the image into a dynamic video. Let's try another one. I'll upload another image, select a different template, and amazing. You can use this feature to create fun videos, animations, or even AI-generated content just by using images and prompts. Next, let's check out the Reel Maker tool. This lets you convert long-form videos into short, engaging reels. I'll upload a video here, select a trailer style, choose a music type, and click on generate. It takes just a few seconds. And here we go, a perfect 13-second trailer. You even get multiple music options to choose from. This is great if you want to repurpose your content into short-form videos for Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube Shorts. Now let's try text to video, which is another game-changing AI tool. I'll type top 5 richest countries in the world. Choose the aspect ratio, select 30 seconds as the duration, pick a music type, and choose a realistic AI voiceover from the options below. Once I click on generate, Filmora even creates a script for me. If I don't like it, I can regenerate it. Once I approve the script, it automatically generates the entire video with voiceover, visuals, and effects.
Exploring the globe, 5 countries stand out for their remarkable wealth. Luxembourg, with its thriving financial sector, leads the way. Switzerland follows, known for its precision industries and high living standards. Norway's extensive oil reserves boost its economy significantly. Ireland's booming tech sector propels it forward, while Qatar enjoys vast natural gas wealth. Together, they represent the pinnacle of global economic achievement and prosperity.
This is insane. If you're looking to start a YouTube automation channel, this feature alone is a game changer. So, as you can see, Filmora is on another level compared to CapCut. There are so many powerful AI tools that make video editing faster, smarter, and more creative. Meanwhile, CapCut is slow, buggy, and lacks advanced features like these. And let's talk about pricing. For the value Filmora offers, it's totally worth it. You're getting tons of AI-powered tools, smooth performance, and high-quality effects without all the lag and frustration that comes with CapCut. So yeah, that's why I've officially switched to Filmora, and I honestly don't see myself going back to CapCut anytime soon. If you're also tired of the lag and slow performance, Filmora is definitely worth trying. If you want to try Filmora, I've added the download link in the description. Go ahead and check it out. It's available for both PC and mobile, and trust me, once you try it, you won't go back. Let me know in the comments what you think. Are you Team CapCut or Team Filmora? Drop your thoughts below and I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.